Hey guys, it's Ellen. Today we're on the edge of where a forest meets a field. Now at first glance, this may not seem like a very special area, but it's actually a very important habitat for lots of animals. The trees in the forest provide protection, while the openness in the field provides an area where they can hunt and keep watch. Now one species in particular really likes this area, and that is birds. A great way to get a closer look at birds is by using your binoculars. If you watch and wait in an edge habitat, you'll often see birds flying in and out of the trees. They fly out into the field to catch insects that live there, and they'll fly back into the trees for that protection. If you're really quiet, you can sit and listen to the bird calls. See if you can find any birds near where you live. What do they look and sound like? We'll see you next time.